Hi there, I'm Emily. I'm a child passenger safety technician and a mom, and there are 3 things I want to say about this. Number 1 is everybody's going to tell you, oh, this goes so fast, enjoy every minute. It's okay if you don't enjoy every single moment of parenthood. Not every moment is inherently enjoyable, and you are not a bad parent if you are not enjoying a specific moment like your toddler doing the alligator death roll, trying not to get in their car seat. Soldier on, you're an amazing parent. Number 2, if your child is really strongly fighting the car seat every single ride and you can't figure out why, consider getting your fit and installation checked with a CPST, because often we find an adjustment or something that needs to be made to the harness fit or the installation that can make the child more comfortable and therefore much less resistant to the car seat. Particularly if they're that toddler age where they may not have enough words to express to you what the problem is yet, see a CPST. We can help you troubleshoot. And number 3, let's learn the prefold technique. This is Carla. She is way more compliant than your average toddler, but here's a technique that helps a lot when you're loading a squirmy kid into their car seat. Take one arm and get your child behind the shoulders underneath the armpits. Take your other arm and get them right underneath their knees, just like this. And then what you're going to do, fold them in half. Once you're outside the car and you have them in that pre-fold position, you're going to plonk their butt right in that bottom of their seat. For some reason, unbeknownst to us because they're toddlers, a lot of kids will stop fighting once their bum is making contact with the seat. But if they're still trying to thrash and roll around, that's the part where you're going to sneak one arm out and kind of block their feet from kicking you. Reach behind them and grab that harness strap, pull it over their shoulder. Pull your other arm out from behind. You're still got the one hand here to help keep them in their seat. Obviously, we're not doing CPR. We're not pushing our kids in. We're just giving a little gentle pressure to remind them to stay down. And we're maybe talking to them, singing a song, making a silly face. And then we maybe fasten that chest clip first to help keep them down in their seat. And then we come down here and we get the crotch buckle and keep working. And then, of course, when we're all done, it's yay, we're ready to go. I'm so proud of you. Mwah. And then we go get in the car and start driving. And our kid might still be screaming because, we're toddlers. But they are safely restrained and they'll get over it. So give yourself some grace. You're doing great. Get your seat checked. Pre-fold your kid. Hope that helps.